ZeroBounce packages and offers.
Hello and welcome everybody. In this session, I will go over the ZeroBounce offering and how we offer our products and service to customers. And so with that, let's go ahead and get started. We offer two different types of ways to interact and use the ZeroBounce product. The first one is going to be through our monthly packages, which I'm showing you here now. We have a freemium product, we have a ZeroBounce 1 product, and we have our ZeroBounce 1 custom product. Quickly to go over the freemium package, it is $0. It does not require any credit card. Sign up with a business email and you will get access to 100 validation credits per month, 10 email finder queries per month, 1 inbox test per month, 1 email server test per month, and 1 blacklist monitor per month. It does not include our DMARC, our warm-up products. Those are full versions, however, on everything else that is included. They are not watered down. You are able to use our integrations, our API, and whatever you may want to be able to use against those offers. Stepping up into our paid plans, we have our all-new ZeroBounce 1 product, which starts at $99 per month. This is a very, very feature-rich offering for $99 per month. It includes the following: 25,000 email validation or email scoring credits. Those credits do roll over on a monthly basis for anything that's unused. We also provide you with 10,000 email finder queries, 100 inbox placement tests, 100 email server tests, 10 blacklist monitors that can be used on IPs or domains. We provide 1 DMARC monitor with this, and we provide 250 seeds on our warm-up product for this. You can have, inclusive of it, the warm-up accounts are how many from email addresses that you would use to help warm up. So you can have up to 2. All of this is included for $99 per month. This is a no contract offering. This is a month-to-month that will just continue to roll over until you go ahead and cancel the subscription. Speaking of rolling over, I do just want to be clear. The only thing that does roll over is the 25,000 email validation credits. Anything unused will continue to build over time. Any of the other offerings are monthly resets, so they will reset at the end of the month. We also have the ability for you to sign up for an annual package for these, and it will save you an additional 20%, which brings the overall cost down to $79 per month. However, it is collected on an annual basis. In addition to the monthly package and the ZeroBounce 1, which is feature-rich, by the way, again, 25,000 credits. If you just go look at how much that cost and has always cost at ZeroBounce, it's $190 just to get 25,000 credits. And you might ask yourself, why did we price it this way? Why is it so cheap? The answer to it is actually very simple. We want everyone to have access to everything that we do. And so we said to ourselves, how do we do this without causing a product and price that's so high that people can't or don't want to use it? And so what we decided was, you know what, let's make an offering that has everything that we do, but we're only going to charge the customer for 1. And that's exactly how we came up with ZeroBounce 1, and that's exactly the concept around it. You get everything that we do for the price of 1. Or cheaper, as you even see on the validation side. And the concept here is whether you are using it or not, you'll have access to it, but you are not paying anything additional to have access to our warm-up tool, for example. It costs more to just have the validation. This is the concept. We want you to have access to everything we do. These are imperative tools to your deliverability, and having access to it will be to your benefit. In addition, if you need larger quantities of any of these offerings that are shown here, that's where ZeroBounce 1 Custom comes into play. You can put different tools in here and you can go ahead and change the quantities. You can put anything that you need in here. If you need 150,000 validations per month, no problem. Go ahead and put that in here. We're going to recalculate the cost for you. All of these products are, again, going to be included. You can only increase from our ZeroBounce 1. You cannot decrease anything. Again, we are not charging you anything additional to have these products. Everything is just inclusive. So whatever package you may need, you can go ahead and configure it. Let's say you need more validation and some additional warm-up. You got it. Go ahead and update those quantities, and we're only going to charge you for the difference here. In addition to ZeroBounce One, a really major perk, whether you're on the standard plan or the custom plan, is you're getting 15% off any purchases you make for pay-as-you-go and autopay. This can save you a lot of money. It is built in. There's no coupon codes required. If you are an active enrolled in ZeroBounce One or the custom plan, you will automatically receive 15% off your pay-as-you-go purchases. And as always, we have and will continue to offer our pay-as-you-go for validation credits or scoring. And what that means is these are one-time purchases. They are not monthly. They do not require a commitment. They do not expire, and they do continue to stay with you on the account. And so in here, you can put whatever quantities you need. We have some pre-selectable quantities here, but you can always go in and put in whatever quantity you need. And I'm talking down to the specifics. And go ahead and get whatever price it is, we'll generate that for you. Again, these credits can be used on our email validation product, our email scoring product. They can be used on our email finder or domain search products as well. Again, one of the big benefits of being enrolled in our ZeroBounce One is you would receive an additional 15% off if you are trying to do any one-off purchases while being a ZeroBounce One member. With that is how we do the offerings here at ZeroBounce. We've simplified everything that we do. You have monthly plans, which is up here at the top. Those are subscriptions. They will run every month and will continue to be refreshed unless canceled. And we have pay-as-you-go, which are available as one-off purchases. And you can also set up auto pay if that's something that might be interesting for you on pay-as-you-go. The concept with auto pay, which I do not have the ability to show you, is that whenever you breach a certain threshold, so for example, if you bought 100,000 credits and you put a threshold of 10,000 credits, the concept would be that we can repurchase 100,000 credits once your balance drops below 10,000 credits. Both of those numbers are completely configurable. You can put whatever quantities you want in there. And the concept is this is for people that can't have predictable usage or they don't have predictable usage on a time basis. So this is a usage-based auto refill, and we call that auto pay. So with that is our ZeroBounce offering, and I'm very excited to present our ZeroBounce One and ZeroBounce One custom plans for you. If you ever have questions, please do reach out to our support team. You'll see them here on the bottom right here of our chat. We also have a 24/7 365 that's available through chat and email, support@zerobounce.net. And in addition, if you want larger quantities or you need specific tailoring to your package, or maybe you're a large enterprise and you need access to red line agreements, go through an NDA, any security reviews or compliance reviews, we are happy to do that when the engagement size works as well for us. So we're fully compliant with HIPAA, SOC 2 Type 2, ISO 27001, GDPR, and CCPA. So we are fully compliant. We're ready for you and happy to help. Thank you.